Ladies and gentlemen, the realme C100, the ultimate 8,000 milliamp hour durable champion. Let's look at what you're getting. An absolute beast of an 8,000 milliamp hour Titan battery for multi-day, heavy duty power. We also have lightning fast 45 watts charging to get you back into action instantly. Hardcore IP69 Pro dust and water resistance to brave any element. Military grade shock resistance wrapped in a rugged armor shell. Plus, a silky smooth 120Hz display, 60 FPS gaming, hypercooling, and intelligent extended use case.
Let's start with the realme C100. The realme C100 official price is around 16,999 for the full glass 256 variant and 19,999 for the 8 glass 256 variant. But that's not the final price you get because you enjoy another 2,000 pesos as a discount. Which means you can get your C100 at 14,999 for full glass 256 variant and 17,999 pesos for the 8 glass 256 variant. Now, let's talk about the deals you don't want to miss. From today till June 25, pre-order the realme C100 and get a free SKG neck massager, a privileged card with 6 months extended warranty and 6 months screen damage protection, plus 2,000 extra peso discount. In total, the value of these freebies and offers worth up to 6,000 pesos. And if you miss the pre-order, no worries. From June 26 to July 5, you can still enjoy a free privilege card with 6 months extended warranty and 6 months screen damage protections, plus a 2,000 peso discount, with a total offer of the value which is more than 3,000 pesos. And we are now stopping here. We have partnered with the Home Credit to bring you 0% installment plan for up to 18 months, and additional 500 pesos. This brings the price down to just 14,499 pesos for the full glass 256 variant, and 17,499 pesos for the 8 glass 256 variant. That's as low as just 620 pesos per month. And yes, we've got our credit card users covered also. You can also enjoy 0% installment plan for up to 18 months. For our online users, we have some special things for you also. The realme C100 full glass 256 variant is available for only 11,195 pesos. And the 8 glass 256 variant is available for only 14,999 till June 30 in realme official flagship stores on our TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee. So don't miss your chance and get our 700 now.